Welcome students. In this video I'm going to talk about what is a linear equation. Don't forget to subscribe please. A linear equation is a mathematical statement that describes a straight line relationship between two variables. It is one of the fundamental concepts in algebra and is widely used in various fields such as physics, engineering, economics, and statistics. So looking at a graph, a linear equation looks something like this. It's a straight line, and then you have two variables. In this case, I'm gonna call the horizontal axis, I'm gonna call it x, and the vertical axis, I'm gonna call it y. So this type of graph is called an x an an xy axis. That means that x is horizontal, y is vertical, and x and y are variables. So this graph, this this line depends on x to produce y. So there are two forms of that I'm gonna be talking about today for a linear equation. The general form of a linear equation in two variables x and y is represented as follows. The general form is ax plus by equals c. And a, b, c are constants. And x and y are variables. When we're talking about a linear equation, it will always produce a linear straight line, such as this vertical line, horizontal line, diagonal line. The second form that a linear equation is presented is the slope-intercept form. And this type of form is represented as y equals mx plus b, where m and b are constants and x and y are variables. And sometimes m is called the slope of the line, and we'll be talking about what slope is. So when you have a graph, a linear equation, so you see the steepness, or the steepness going up, down. It is and horizontal is represented by the slope, the steepness, and the direction. By the slope. Sometimes it's called m. And then the point where the line touches the vertical axis, so this would be y and this is x. This is called this would be your something called the y-intercept. As you can see on the line, on the equation y equals mx plus b, I don't have any exponents, so there are no exponents. On any of the variables. In this case, x and y. So some of the in basic these are the basic concepts of a linear equation. So now I'm going to talk about some of the applications of linear equations. So sometimes you can predict trends in economics. You can deal with physics concepts such as speed, distance, and time relationships. And you can use in linear equations in statistics. For data sets. Understanding linear equations is fundamental for progressing in algebra and serves as a building block for more complex mathematical concepts. Thank you very much, my students. Don't forget to subscribe.